I'm Allison Walker with Randolph County 4-H. It's time for another 4-H Fun Friday video. Today, we are going to make our very own do-it-yourself lava lamp with ingredients that you probably already have at your house. So let's get started. So you are going to need a 16.9 fluid ounce water bottle, vegetable oil, alka-seltzer tablets, and food coloring. I got this nice selection of colors from Amazon, very inexpensive. So let's go ahead and get started. I also have paper towels just in case we happen to have a spill. So let's get started. We are going to take your water bottle. We're going to remove the label because you want to be able to see the whole bottle. So just peel off your label. Be sure to find a trash can. I'm just going to put this to the side right now. Take your lid off. We're going to go ahead and fill it half full with water. You can just use your tap water at home. So we'll fill this up halfway. And then you want to take your vegetable oil and put the rest in the bottle and fill it to the top. You can also use a funnel to make sure that you don't have any spills, or you can get your trusted guardian or parent to help you. So go ahead and fill that all the way to the top. Then we are going to put the lid back on the bottle. We are going to make sure that it's on there very tight and secure. And then you want to shake it up. Get it mixed thoroughly. And then we'll just let it sit there a second. And we'll watch the water and the oil separate. So water is not as dense as the oil. The water is going to settle in the bottom of the bottle, and the oil is going to rise to the top. So you can see the water in the bottom and the oil at the top. Pretty cool, huh? We'll give it just a few more seconds here. This is the lava lamp that we made earlier and had as an example. We used yellow food coloring. For this one, we're going to use red. My favorite color is red. I think it's well separated here. As you can see, the oil is in the top half and the water is in the bottom. The oil is here at the top. There's lots of bubbles. So for this part, you want to make sure that you leave your cap off. As we're putting all the ingredients in, you just want to put a couple drops of the food coloring in. We'll let that settle. Make sure that your lid is on. We can shake it up a little bit and get that color activated there. So now that we've got our color in, you can see the oil is still at the top and the water is at the bottom. We are going to use our alka-seltzer tablets. You might have these in your medicine cabinet in your bathroom or somewhere in your kitchen. And we are going to use one of the tablets. They are a round tablet. It's pretty large. You don't need the whole thing for this activity. So you can use a butter knife. This is probably a good part for your parent or trusted guardian to help you with. And you'll just cut the tablet in half. Then you want to break it up into pieces. And we're going to drop several pieces into the bottle. And this is where we're going to make our lava for our lava lamp. So watch what happens when we start dropping the pieces in. It's going to start fizzing. And there you have it, your very own lava lamp. Be sure when you're doing this part with the alka-seltzer that you don't put the lid on while the seltzer tablets are dissolving. It builds up pressure, and 4-H is not responsible for any accidents that may happen. If you get closer to it, you can hear it fizzing. So this is a pretty simple and fun activity that you can do at your house with things that you already have at home. Hope you enjoyed today's do-it-yourself lava lamp. Thank you for watching and have a great day. See you next time.